What's up, everybody? Welcome to Way of Fishing. Warren here. If you're first time at the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We do all types of things. It's really about my life as a fisherman. So behind me, you can see I've got the kayaks loaded in the back of the truck. I didn't get a chance to clean it out yesterday. We had the most epic day saltwater fishing, my son and I. Oh! Did you see that?
I think I got two.
You got a redfish. You got a redfish and a striper?
It's not be basically taking it up.
And when we got back to the truck, he wanted to get the bait off of things. And I said, man, we gotta go. We just don't have the time. It was pitch black. We were down a dead end road. And for some reason, there were a few cars coming. They come down and loop around and leave. And I really felt like that was suspect. So I was like, look, dude, let's go. We'll deal with it tomorrow. Right now, he was cutting bait for crab traps on his kayak. The crab traps still have the bait in them. The rods have bait on them. It is just a nasty situation. I've got a black trash bag full that I got out of the inside of the truck, and I've had the windows down all day. I've got to clean all this. You can see just the marsh mud. That marsh mud is like clay. It sticks. It gets in things. It does not let go. So we got to clean it. Just so happens that I got this box right here. So way back in the day, well, I used to be very into like custom car audio and stuff. You know, you always wash your trucks. Now I'm into fishing, and fishing trucks always dirty. But I've got a box here that was sent to me by the fine folks over at Super Clean. I used to use Super Clean to clean my rims on my old Ford. Don't tell anybody I drove a Ford. But I figure I've got to get, the grill of the truck is smashed with bugs. When y'all watch the video, you can actually see the bugs on the camera. Like, the amount of buggage that's on the front of the truck is horrific. The bugs and the wild on the truck is disgusting. The kayaks are disgusting. So they sent me this box of cleaner. How fortuitous. I'm gonna clean all the guts and bugs and everything off the boat. So in this box, I've got just cleaner degreaser, the Tough Task in a squirt bottle. Definitely gonna be using that. And then I've got the aerosol for cleaning brakes and grills and engines. And I haven't used this one. I've used that one, but I haven't used this one. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast, biodegradable. So yep, that'll come in handy. Probably shouldn't put that metal can on my truck. And then I've got wheel cleaner. It has been forever since I cleaned the rims on my truck. I actually bought wheels to put on the truck, and I don't know when last time I cleaned them. So I'll probably use that today too, after I get all the guts off the front of the truck. Two other things in the box was a t-shirt, which I'm not gonna ruin right now. And then there was a hat. To be honest, you see the sweat on my face. You gotta bend your hat a little bit though. I'm actually gonna wear this hat right now to try to keep some of this sweat out of my eyes. The weather's been really crazy. It's actually almost 100 degrees right now, and I'm on my driveway and I'm out here and I'm about to work. So I've got on a thin shirt. I'm gonna go throw some flip-flops on, put this hat on to keep the sweat out of my eyes, and see how good this Super Clean can get epicness off of a kayak. So come on along. That's even better because the sun's super bright, so that helps. I know my face probably looks really dark to y'all. See, look, yeah, but this is much more comfortable. So let me go show y'all the front of the truck real quick. Bugs, man, that we drove through yesterday, just absolutely horrific. I mean, that's horrible. So I definitely got to clean this. This is just not, this is embarrassing. Oh, look, I got a piece of wood jammed in the fog light. Look how bad this yak is. How fitting to call it a yak right now, because that's kind of yakkish. Mine, not quite as bad, but still not good. I don't know if y'all can see that, if that's showing up. This used to be black. It's just the dirt's just in there. I've sprayed this off and that is not coming off, so that's actually gonna be the first place. Let me see if I can get y'all a better look at that. That's the first place I'm curious to try the degreaser. And that floor is supposed to be black. It's not black. Spray in a stream setting on here. Let that soak for a second. I'm gonna go get my brush. That's better. I don't know if the brush is gonna be the best way to do it. I might need to. I might be better off with a cloth. Man, that did really good on that pad. That's nice. Well, I'm about an hour and a half in. I got the boats done. But dude, look at I don't know what is on the truck bed mat. I had to clean it because we had like bait and stuff. What in the world is this? I had to clean my hands off so I could touch the camera. But all I did, I took my bed mat out because I had bait that spilled on it. Look at, my brush was white. That is no longer a white brush. So I'm just gonna spray it. I don't know what is on there, but whatever it is, I got it off. Maybe y'all can let me know what is black. Like, I mean, that stuff is thick, but it's coming off. See my brush? I just sprayed the brush. Look at that. That's crazy. What was on this mat, guys? I really wish that I would have recorded what this stuff did when I sprayed. That is bug-free 100%. And I have no idea if I'm even supposed to spray this on the paint. Maybe not, but there is not a bug anywhere. It got it all. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching Way of Fishing. Typically, I wouldn't show you how I clean the kayak, but it seemed relevant today after that epic video yesterday and how covered in mud we were and the boats were and cutting bait on the boats. It was crazy. So that's how I go about doing it, and drop in the comments how you clean your boats, your John boat, your kayak, your pickup truck, your tow vehicle, whatever you do. If you got a unique thing that you do to clean it, drop it in the comments. Might help somebody out. Might be something I want to start doing. So as always, thank you for watching Way of Fishing. Get out there and fish your way. I got a fly on my lens. I don't know what he thinks he's doing right now, but that's it. I'm gone. Got to clean fish.